What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Style, owner of Synopsis LLC at Synopsis LLC on Instagram. Today's pickup is Air Jordan 11, a women's Air Jordan 11 Animal Instinct. Stay close to look. So as you can see, you got that faux fur inside, kind of like a white cheetah print. The classic Jumpman on the side. That 2-3 and all red. The upper is all suede. Got the Air Jordan right here in that Greek format. The tongue. Insole is all blacked out, which is the red Jumpman. You can barely see it. The bottom, it's got the checkerboard right there. By the mid. You know, got the black bottom. So it's a pretty slick pair, unreleased. Just don't drop, I think, till sometime in November, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I'm just guessing. But that's today's pickup. Follow me on Instagram at Synopsis LLC. You can buy from Instagram at Synopsis LLC. Follow my stories too. I post daily. That's today's pickup. I'm out.